Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. Hello and welcome to class 2 of our full English grammar course. Today we will learn all about pronouns, what they are, why we use them, and the different types with examples. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Number 1. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence instead of repeating a noun again and again. We use pronouns to make sentence easier and less boring. Number 2. Why do we use pronouns? For example, instead of saying David is my friend, David likes football. David plays every day. We say David is my friend. He likes football. He plays every day. Here, he replaces David. That's a pronoun. Number 3. Types of pronouns. There are 8 common types of pronouns which we will learn one by one. Number 1. Personal pronouns. These refer to people or things. Example: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example sentence: she is reading a book. Number 2. Possessive pronouns. They show ownership. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Example sentence: this pen is mine. Number 3. Reflexive pronouns. They refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Example sentence: she prepared herself for the exam. Number 4. Demonstrative pronouns. They point to specific things. Example: this, that, these, those. Example sentence: this is my bag. Number 5. Interrogative pronouns. Used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, what. Example sentence: who is your teacher? Number 6. Relative pronouns. They connect clause or sentence. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Example sentence: the boy who is playing is my brother. Number 7. Indefinite pronouns. They refer to a non-specific things or people. Examples: someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, everything, few, many. Example sentence: everyone is invited. Number 8. Reciprocal pronouns. They show mutual action or relationship. Example: each other, one other. Example sentence: they helped each other. Practice exercise. Can you find the pronouns in this sentence? She gave him her book because he forgot his. Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Fluent English with M I Shah. For more lessons, stay tuned for class 3 where we will learn about verbs. Thank you very much.